Here is my room, guys. So, we got a Wii U and a TV right there. About that. This is my room at band camp. Surge protector and the Wii remotes for people to play with. I have all the Game Cubes in that bin. Here's my bed, my roommate's bed. Then it says stay out since we're having so many people come in. Yes, that's an Illuminati. I felt like putting that on. But you open it up and then you go in here and then you got everything. It says stay out because people come in this room all the time to play Super Smash Bros. So yeah, this is the band camp. See, this is the door. The handle's always unlocked. It's just, this is a deadbolt, and you guys will see more in the Texas mechanical video. See. And anyway, that's it for the room tour. Band camp's been fun. That's it.